Alright, good evening everyone. Today is September the 25th. It's about 10:30 Pacific Standard Time, and this is just a daily update on a couple of the dollar pairs. First, I'm going to start with the New Zealand dollar. I have from the top of 75.59 down to the bottom of 71.33 as wave 1 on a 240-minute 4-hour chart. I have this as a three-way move for a W, three-way move down for an X, and then an A, B, C for Y of 2. And from the top of 74.34 to current level, this is possible a leading diagonal for wave 1 of 3. So from the top here, you can clearly count this will be a 1, 2, and then it's possibly going to be a 1, 2 back up there, or this can be counted as a 1, 2, and then possibly a 3, 4, and then a 5 for 1 of 3 that will find some support near the 72.10, 7200 level. More closely to about 72.10, 72.12. If not, the next one will be 71.85. So it's a pretty good trade. If you are not in this trade currently, if prices does go back up, it should find some resistance near 73.09 or so, more maybe towards 73.20. At that case, a good short may be possible, with the stop most likely above the 73.65 level. So that is the New Zealand dollar. I also have the weekly of yen, which is dollar strength. I have the one here, the WX. I'm not sold on this count just yet, and it is possible that we can see a strong impulsive wave down to 104 or 103 area. So I don't currently, even though I'm up a little bit over 200 ticks, I was up a lot more than that actually. But I would think I was up 300 ticks, but I don't have this as the bottom just yet. It's possible that another low below this low, and it will go below 106 more down to 104 or 103, because it doesn't have that right look to me. So I'll keep an eye out on that and update as possible. Moving on to the pound dollar. I have this here. You can ignore all of this because this is inaccurate. But on a weekly time frame, we were in wave 4. And if on the 240, this is a A, B, or a 1, 2, and then this will be the top of 3, and then you have 4, and then 5 for wave C of wave 4. However, this is not impulsive, so this can be wave 3, this can be A, this can be B possibly, and this can be wave C of 4 here, and now you see a move above 136. So with that being said, and I don't like this as is impulsive, prices may come down to roughly 134 and find some serious support. So it will be safe for me to go ahead and keep my prices at break even, because this count is not a great count. So if you look at that same count but on a weekly time frame, this is where I have wave 3. This is a WX, and then this is possibly a 1, 2, either 3 here, so this would be 3 of 3, 4, 5 of 3, wave 4, and then you have 1, 2, either 3, then 4, and then possible 5, which will mean that this is the top, but this is not impulsive. RSI is showing, a hook, but it also could, go up a little bit higher. So if it does, in fact, go higher, the next resistance line will be about 137.10. But we'll see how that plays out later. Looking at the euro on a 240, I think I had, not necessarily the daily. Let's look at it on a 240. Now, originally I had this wave. This is a triangle, but clearly the C, D, and the E just got validated once the E broke wave C. So this is no longer a triangle. What I did see, I had some support. I said price will find support around the 1830 level, and it did, which basically I had my stop here closer to 1824. That doesn't mean that price will not continue down, but at current I had this as the top of wave 3, then I had as A, B, C, D, but this is possible that this is A, this is a B, and then this is A of C, B of C, and then C of C, but I don't like this. So right now this could be the top of 3, this can be the A, this can be the B, this can be A, B, then 1, 2, 3 for C here possibly, which would mean you would have a wave D up that could not go above 120, and then you'll have another E for 4, and then wave 5. However, these counts on this euro, it's just too many ways to count it, and right now it's just not a good trade, in my opinion, to be in unless you are a professional trader and you don't mind risking, because it's a few ways to count it and they're a bit difficult. I don't think I'm in anything else at the moment. I've been stopped out of everything else. So those are just a couple of the trades that I'm currently in, with the exception of the CAD. The CAD ended up gaining me a few ticks. As you can see, I'm up 227 ticks on the CAD when I had my support level at 120.78. Price went to 120.60, 58 or so, and once it broke up, I went long at 121.46, and price is currently at 123.73. I've already got over 100 ticks locked, and price may find some resistance near 126.65, if not 129. So we'll see about this one, but I just wanted to do a shorter video on a couple other trades that I'm currently in. And last but not least, on this euro, if this is a 3 on the weekly, this is a W, this is A, B, C for X. I have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 3. Maybe wave 4 is not done. And we're force counting something, and this here, it could be the top, this could be 5 and not 3, but it's just, it doesn't have the look. So I'm going to say that it's still in wave 3 of a correction, and we still should see one more high, but until price shows a clear pattern, I would stay out of it. So I'll have something tomorrow, a couple other trades that I think that are on the horizon, and other than that, happy trading.